Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be short video. Sometimes you need to find some options and you get really frustrated and you go towards internet and you cannot find the correct answers on the internet. No one have explained this properly on the internet. But this option is really useful and it's really important while you're creating ad sets because you don't want to do one thing again and again, and when you have a long location list and you need to create another campaign with that, you have to put all the locations again, and sometimes you have a zip codes and you cannot find the correct zip codes in Facebook ad set location area, and you need to do everything again, and that's frustrating. And on the internet no one is giving you the correct information about this, how you can do it. It's really easy. You just, when you create your first campaign and you have all your location and all the targeting setup in your ad set, what you need to do to save this location so you can use it in your future campaigns or just clone it as it is in your different ad sets. So it's really easy. Once you do everything and once you set up everything, just scroll down in the language area, and once you are in the advantage audience area, here you can see the save button. Click on it and it will give you everything you have set up in the ad set, in the locations, the age and the audience settings. And if you have also set up the detailed targeting, it will give you everything. So we'll just name it the pure core location here, and once we do that, you just need to hit save and it will create the audience and it will save the audience in your Facebook audience manager. And now once you save this information, and you can go back to your different ad set and you can just easily copy this location over there. So now you can see that it named our audience here, and let me go back to my different ad set. So this is a different ad set. No, this is not the different ad set. Let me go to a different campaign, and here you go. So this campaign is not live, and we'll go into the ad set level of this campaign, and now we're here. So now I have set up a different type of objective in this campaign, and I want to add the same location in here. So for that, I need to put everything again and all the location and detail targeting. So what I'll do, I'll just come here and select the same audience here, the saved audience I have used. So you can see how easy it is. You just need to save the audience and you can use it again and again in your different type of ad sets. So guys, this is a short video I've created for you to understand how you can save your audience and reuse them in your different ad sets. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.